Development of the space race. In addition to the arms race, from 1957 the space race also developed. Sputnik. First artificial Earth satellite. It was launched by Moscow in 1957 by the USSR. U.S. reaction to Sputnik. The USA saw the launch of Sputnik as a military treat. 1957 Sputnik 2. Laika becomes the first animal to orbit Earth, although she died within hours from overheating. Sputnik 2 was a USSR satellite. 1958 Explorer 1. Explorer 1 was the first U.S. satellite in space. 1958 NASA. In 1958 the USA set up NASA. NASA was the first national space agency. 1961 Yuri Gagarin into space. 1961 Yuri Gagarin was the first man into space. He was a Soviet cosmonaut. 1961 Alan Shepard in space. 1961 Alan Shepard was the first American in space. 1969 Apollo-11. 1969 Apollo-11. This was when the first man landed on the moon. January 5th of the world watched the moon landings on television. This was a massive victory for the USA, and they had won the space race. 1971 Salyut 1. 1971 Salyut 1 was the first space station. It was a Soviet space station. 1973 Skylab. 1973 Skylab. This was the first American space station. 1975 Apollo-Soyuz mission. 1975 Apollo-Soyuz mission was when USA and USSR docked together in space. The space race was over.